Dormers for A-frame houses. Dormers are excellent add-on for A-frame houses, and in this video I'm going to explain how to use them, and I'm also telling you one unusual way of using dormers. First things first, what is a dormer? Dormer is an add-on build to A-frame house, which actually gives you some additional space. As you know, A-frames, they are, well, made like this, and you are kind of limited inside because of this angle. And in some areas of the house, like kitchen or lobby area or bathroom, you may want a little more space, and dormers are a good way of creating this extra space. They are not only providing volume but also a vertical wall space. Like in bathrooms, for shower you really need the height, and dormer is one way of creating that extra height. Third one, windows. You have basically two options on the slope slides of A-frame to create extra light. One is skylights and another one is dormer. Skylights are usually limited in their size. In a dormer you can put nice full height windows, in case if you have the really nice view on this sloped side of the house, or you just need extra light. Most people use them for bathrooms, some kitchen areas where you may want to put some upper cabinets, and lobby areas if you want more volume to put away your coat and shoes and stuff. And some of the houses we have made have entrance on the side of the house. So again, dormer is a way to create this door space in the middle of the house. The way we do them is we have engineered just one type of dormer with a single sloped roof, and that's all we offer because we want to keep things really simple. If you want the extra wide vertical wall or something, we can put two dormers just next to each other, creating one wide dormer. But we don't do like pitched roofs on dormers, and it's just complicated. We want our houses to be like super simple, and you can't have like super simple house and super complicated dormer. And this unusual way of using dormers is actually you can connect different buildings with dormers. Let's say you have a standard garage or something and you want to connect your house with a garage. You can connect a sort of gallery to the dormer and the other end to the garage, for example. Or if you want to put two A-frames next to each other and connect them, again, you build two dormers and connect them with a gallery. We've done quite a few of those, and they're fun. If you feel that you learned something from this video, please show us by clicking the like button, and definitely go and watch the next video. We have some useful stuff in the other videos too.